Hi everyone, hope you are well. Today I'm talking about how we can actually submit CGT to the Hmrc using Hmrc actually portal. As you know, the government changed the rule. If you dispose some the property, you need to report within 60 days. And today I will show you how we can actually calculate CGT through the Hmrc calculator, and how can we file through the Hmrc filing online filing system. So today I'm going to show you an example. If you have a buy-to-let property and you dispose that property and you never lived in that property, so I will show you first how we can calculate the CGT. If you Google it, the capital gain tax, you see workout. If you need to pay, you click on there and you see capital gain tax. If you go down, you see work out your total taxable gain. You just go to the UK property, then you will see very bottom of the page. They're saying calculate capital gain tax on property. So you go there, then they will ask you some basic questions. So we will answer those questions. When did you sell or give away the property? Let's put some date there. So we're gonna say 6/4/22. Then they're saying, did you sell the property or give it away? Let's say sold it. Then did you sell the property for less than it was worth to help the buyer? No. How much did you sell the property for? So let's say is 300,000. Then how much did you pay in cost when you stopped owning the property? Stopped owing the property. So basically this is selling cost. So if I put, you have all, you can say state agent fee, solicitor fee, any professional help to value your property like a surveyor fee, any advertising fee, all of them actually you can put together. So let's say is 3,500 altogether. Then did he become the property owner before 1st April 1982? It depends. So in this case, it's no. How did you become the property owner? You bought it. So you click on the bought it. Did you buy the property for less than it was worth because the seller wanted to help you? Said no. How much did you pay for the property? So let's say purchase cost in this case was 237,200. 237,200. Then how much did you pay in cost when you become the property owner? Basically is all the state agent fee you paid, any solicitor fee, stamp duty, any professional fees. You can put all of them together here. So in this case I'm gonna say it's 2,000. And then how much have you spent on improvement since you become the property owner? Say in this case is 20,000. So once you put 20,000, have you ever lived in the property since you become the owner? This case is no. Are you claiming any capital tax losses from tax year before 22-23? If you have any capital loss, you can claim here, but in this case is no. How much did you expect your income to be in this tax year? So this is they're asking for what kind of income you're expecting this tax year. You're gonna say whatever income you have, but this case is 25,000. Then how much your personal how much is your personal allowance? Basically is annual exemption for 2020-23, say 12570. So if you check your answer now in this, so then you continue. Say is your tax coming around 12,500. So you can see is 4,500 tax, capital gain tax coming. So your reporting is your all the information you put here is showing. So you will get a capital gain tax exempt amount 12,300. You can see here. So it's automatically picked up by Hmrc. And then you see once you're happy your figure, you just need to put them this figure now through the Hmrc what is called software. Once you log in, actually they will come to the new place, new page. Is currently we need to fill up the details that we did earlier, step by step. So check if you can use this service. Who are you completing this return for? You're gonna say it yourself. So continue. Then how much properties or disposal are you including in this return? You're gonna say how many properties. So it's one. Then continue. Then how do you sell it or dispose your UK property? You sold it. Click it here. And then where you are UK resident on the disposal date, you're gonna say yes in this case. So and then you go, did you sell or dispose of a UK residential property? Check if you can use this service. Okay, did you sell or dispose of a UK residential property? Yes. So continue. What date you did you exchange the contract when you disposing the property? In this case, you're gonna say it is 6, then is 4, then is 2022, then continue. Then what was the completion date when you sold or disposed of the property? So same date here. So 06 04 2022. Then you go. So you can see, check your answer. You did yourself some basic. You check it. How many properties? One. How did you sell the sold it? Were you a UK resident? Yes. Did you sell or dispose of a UK resident property? Yes. What date did you exchange the contract? 6th April 2022. What was the completion date when you sold it? Is 6 April 2022. So if I'm happy, just go next one. So you see here, it's one part completed. Then next part is property details. So you enter the property details here. So you're gonna say it is property. I'm gonna say it's just just this time is demo. So you can say is IG11 and it's J0XH and says is 54. So enter manually, they are saying it's not taking. So say 54, say occurring route, then say barking, IG 11, then I say 8, GN, so confirm and continue. So confirm and continue. So then enter the sale or disposal details. How much of the property did you own is 100%. So you put that. How much did you sell the property for? You say it's 300,000. Once you that, so what were your additional costs when you sold the disposal property? So in this case, it's 3,200. And then obviously continue and confirm and continue. And then you say, then enter purchase execution details. Bought it. When did you get the property? You're gonna say bought it. What date did you get the property? You're gonna say is 01/01/2018. So once you do that, how much did you pay for the property? You're gonna say 237, 200 in this case. And then you see, did you want to claim any improvement cost? Yes. How much was it? Is it 20,000? Then additional cost? Yes. How much was it? 2,000. Then save, continue. And then you see confirm. So now it enter relief. In this case, are you entitled to claim any private residence relief? In this case is no, because the property was let out from the beginning, so you're not gonna get anything, so no relief. Did you want to claim any other capital gains relief? So no, there are no other relief available for this case. And then obviously check your answer, so confirm and continue. And then obviously report or to pay any tax, enter loss and things like that. Do you want to include any other capital gain losses? And no, so you go there. Then do you want to include any other capital gain tax losses? No, so you go there. How much of your capital gain tax annual exempt? You need to put that annual exempt is your capital at 12,300 this year. And then obviously you go, then check your answer, so you do confirm and continue. Then enter capital gain tax liability for this tax year, so which we actually said, what do you expect your gross income will be this tax year? You need to say what kind of income you're expecting. Let's say it's 25,000. Then you go there. Then what is your personal allowance for this tax year? Is 12,570. So you just put that figure here. So have any of the amount in this return been estimated? Say no. Then save and continue. Tell how much capital gain tax due in this return. So you just how much capital tax due this return is saying capital gain tax this return is 54557. So how much capital tax due this return was other amount. If it's other amount, so we have calculated earlier 4,500, so it's 4,500. Then save and continue. So if you want to upload a document, you can do that. And this is actually final. and then actually you just save and continue, and finally press the button, and then you finish it. But this time I'm not gonna show that because this is just demo. This is not a official actually advice. So if you want to do yourself, I recommend you to discuss with your accountant or any other professional advisor to do this before CGT submission, because there is a lots of other if your situation could be different, and you can eligible to claim more different type of allowance. This is just a guideline. I just show you so you can, if you want to do yourself, you can actually think about it. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot.